Hey everybody, it's Michael at FOUCH FABS, and I just bought these Ceramica EX pads. It's a set of 4-inch pads. There's 5 of them. It's for wet polishing. I've never heard of them or used them before, so I wanted to kind of see how they compared to the Viper Elite set I'm using. It's a couple less pads than the Viper Elite set. There's different types of these Ceramica. The one I got is supposed to be for granite, quartz, everything. So I'm going to give them a try. I'll take you in here and show you the sink I'm going to polish. I brought you in here where it's quiet because everybody's in there polishing. So bear with me. We're going to walk back into the shop where I'm getting ready to polish this sink. I've already dropped it and fabbed it. Got a big day today, and I've had a really big week. But over here is the sink I'm going to be polishing. So I'll let you know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. What's up everybody? I started yesterday showing you about these new pads I got, these Alpha Ceramica EX wet polishing pads. So I used them, and first thing I want to do is show you what I used them on. I polished this little inner area here. I polished this sinkhole here, and I polished this small top here that's got like a 3/8 bevel on it. That's all I polished with these pads yesterday, alright? And they were brand new. You saw me pull them out of the package. This is a Viper Elite, number 1, an old Viper Elite. So first I started with my sink. And I did go straight from cutting to polishing. I didn't take a stone to it or anything, okay? So I probably should have took a stone to it, definitely. With the Viper Elites, I don't really have to, but with these, I guess I really should have. So, this is what I got. And you see what I polished these pads, the set. I paid $117.75 for this set of pads, okay? So, you get the number 2, as you can see. I'm about to my backside after 3 tops. And look how thick it is. There ain't nothing left of it. Alright, the second pad you use is the 500. It's not as bad, but that's how thick it is. Next pad's the 1000. It's a little bit thicker. The next pad's 2000. It's a little bit thicker. 3000. It's a little bit thicker. So before you say, well, wait, you still got 20% of a pad on there. That should be okay to spend $117 and polish 3 small tops and have 20% of a pad. Well, the reason I have a 20% of pad is because I added another pad to it before I started using those, because there would have been no pad left of this had I just used it. So, my opinion, ain't no damn way in the world I'd ever order these pads again. If pretty much one sinkhole costs you $117, you better be charging about $500 to polish a sinkhole. There's just no way to make money using these pads. I bought them because I thought they would be an alternative to the Viper Elites. There's a few less pads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this set. There's 7 on the Viper Elites. But that's just smoke and mirrors, because unless you add a 6th pad to this, hell, you ain't even gonna be able to polish no more than a sink. So my recommendation is stay the hell away from these. If they want to send me another set, and I'll try them on some quartz or something and see if they last a little longer. I'm gonna finish polishing with these until they fall apart, and I'll touch back base with you and let you know how much longer they last. My prediction is maybe one more sink if I continue to use a Viper Elite 1 with it. If I don't use that, They're gonna fall apart. They do put a decent shine on the stone, but what good's a decent freaking shine on a stone if your shop goes out of business because you're having to buy a set of pads every top you polish? It just don't make no sense. So anyways, I stayed here till 9 last night. I was too tired to finish the video then, so I wanted to touch back base on it this morning. But I mean, just if you think about buying them, take a look at this. This is basically after one sink. I mean, there's a little bit of polish in there, but to be honest, my wife had polished half of this top, so I only had to really polish half of it. And don't think I had to polish this whole freaking top here to here is what I polished. So it's basically a sinkhole. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope I can save you some money and some stress by telling you stay the hell away from these Alpha Ceramic EX wet polishing pads from Braxton & Bragg at $117.75. That's all I got. Thanks, guys.